If Mailchimp is giving you an error code, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get things working again fast. We'll check your Mailchimp account settings, look at API keys, verify Mailchimp's system status, clear your browser cache and cookies, and even fix broken forms or reCAPTCHA issues on your website. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and walkthroughs. Let's jump in. First, start inside your Mailchimp dashboard. In the top right corner, click your profile icon. This is where Mailchimp keeps the account level settings that can affect login, billing, integrations, and API access. From the drop-down menu, select Account and Billing. If your error is related to permissions, account access, or an integration not syncing properly, this is the best place to begin. Once you're inside Account and Billing, look for the Extras tab. Click Extras, then select API keys. This page shows all of the API keys connected to your Mailchimp account. If you're using an app, website integration, or automation tool that connects through Mailchimp, an outdated or invalid API key can trigger error codes. Carefully review the list and make sure the key you're using is active and correct. If needed, you can generate a new key and update it wherever your site or tool is storing the old one. Now, before you make too many changes, it's always smart to check whether the problem is on Mailchimp's side. Open a new browser tab and go to status.mailchimp.com. This is Mailchimp's official status page, and it will tell you whether there are any ongoing service issues, outages, or degraded performance affecting forms, APIs, campaigns, or logins. If Mailchimp is experiencing a temporary outage, the issue may not be with your account at all. In that case, the best solution is often to wait until service is restored and then test again. If Mailchimp is working normally, the next fix is to clear your browser cache and cookies. A lot of Mailchimp errors are caused by corrupted browser data or old session files. To do this in Chrome or most Chromium browsers, press Ctrl, Shift, and delete at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. Make sure you select cookies and cached images and files. You can uncheck the other options if you only want to remove the data that is most likely causing the issue. Then click Delete Data. After that, close the browser completely, reopen it, and log back into Mailchimp again. This simple step solves more issues than most people expect. If your error is happening on an embedded Mailchimp form, especially if you're seeing a broken form or reCAPTCHA failure, the fix may be to generate a fresh form embed code. Go back into Mailchimp, click on Forms, and open the form area for your audience. From there, generate a new embedded form code block from your dashboard. Copy the updated code carefully, then replace the old script on your website with the new one. This is important because outdated form code can break after changes to your audience settings, API configuration, or spam protection setup. After replacing the code, save your website changes and test the form in an incognito window or a different browser. That helps you confirm that the issue is actually resolved and not just hidden by cached data. If the form loads correctly and the sign-up process works, then the fix was successful. If you're still seeing the Mailchimp error code after these steps, go back and double-check 3 things. First, that your API key is valid and current. Second, that Mailchimp's status page shows no active outage. And third, that your website is using the newest form embed code. In many cases, one of those 3 will be the exact cause of the problem. And that's it. You've now learned how to troubleshoot and fix common Mailchimp error code issues, from account settings and API keys to browser cleanup and broken forms. If this video saved you time, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.